Imagine walking into your home where the lights adjust themselves, music follows you from room to room, and your space looks stylish without breaking the bank. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring smart home DIY tech upgrades that don't just make life easier, but also transform your interiors into a modern, stunning space. Definition: smart home DIY upgrades are affordable technology-based improvements you can set up on your own, such as smart lighting, voice-controlled devices, automated curtains, and hidden charging stations. Why importance? Smart upgrades go beyond convenience. They save energy, improve security, and create a sleek, futuristic feel inside your home, all while boosting property value and comfort. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with smart lighting using Wi-Fi bulbs or LED strips to create customizable moods. 2. Add voice-controlled assistants for hands-free control of music, reminders, and appliances. 3. Install smart plugs to transform ordinary devices into smart gadgets. 4. Use motion sensors to automate hallway and bathroom lights. 5. Upgrade your window treatments with affordable DIY smart curtain kits. 6. Create hidden wireless charging spots on nightstands or desks. Tools explained. You'll need smart bulbs or LED strips, voice assistant devices, smart plugs, motion sensors, curtain motor kits, and basic tools like a screwdriver, tape measure, and adhesive strips for setup. Workflow: begin with lighting, as it makes the biggest visual impact. Then move on to plugs and sensors for convenience. Finally, add finishing touches like smart curtains and charging docks to tie the interior together. Quick tips: test devices with your Wi-Fi strength before installing permanently. Group smart devices in one app for easier control. Mix technology with décor by hiding wires and choosing sleek, minimal designs. Cost comparison. A full professional smart home installation can cost thousands. With DIY upgrades, you can achieve a modern, tech-savvy look for under a few $100s, depending on how many devices you add. Smart homes aren't just for luxury anymore, they're for anyone ready to blend technology with style. Try one of these DIY upgrades today and watch your interiors transform.